All right. Can you guys hear me now? Is that better? Put a one in the chat if you can hear me now. Still no sound? Hold on. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Oh, you can hear me now. There we go. Hey, like I said, when you're working with new equipment and you're working with we're good now. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yeah, when you're working with new software, there's always going to be some technical difficulty. So I can hear myself. You just couldn't hear me. Well, once again, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. It's a work in progress. So we'll get better as things go along. I'm taking notes on some things that I have to fix and update. But it's still cutting in and out, or is it clear? Loud and clear. Perfect, perfect. How y'all doing today? It's 5:51 here Eastern Standard Time. I'm sure 4 hours back or 4 hours forwards or even 12 hours on the opposite side of the world. But thank you for tuning in to the channel. Definitely appreciate that. So if you can take a look here, first off, none of this information is financial advice. What's up, Thomas? Saitama Lone Wolf. What's up? What's up? What's up? Crypto World. Maurice. Sonny Black. What's going on? Cameron. What's going on? Welcome. Cynthia. What's going on? Welcome. 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 All right. Yeah. Yeah. So once again, just to let you all know, this is not financial advice. This channel is for entertainment purposes only. You take away with what you take away with. But all right, I'm not certified to give you any kind of financial advice. But one thing I do, one thing I do know is, um, I do have a track record of consistency. So it is up to you what you take from that. What's going on, Josh? Can you all still hear me? We still good? This part of the world, where I'm at, the internet sucks. It really does. So that's a work in progress. I spent 10 minutes trying to get this thing certified enough, huh? Good. All right. So anyway, okay, we're good. All right. So I want you guys to take a look. We're going to talk about some Saitama for a second, and then I'm not going to stay very long. I do have some other things to do. I just wanted to get on here and let you guys know I will be going live again a little bit later on. I just had to test my feed. Had to do some updates. I wanted to see some arrangements here and how things were looking, and so we'll get better as we go along. All right. So if you all take a look at the Saitama here on Dex Tools, you'll notice that we had a little bit of retracement back from our last all-time high, which is right around 9.1. Actually, I think we surpassed that a little bit. I think we dropped a zero. I think we dropped a little zero, and we had probably over about $2 to $3 million close to sell-offs within the last 3 days. Um, what went off? Guys, you still can't hear me? Yeah, I highly think that it's my internet. What's going on, Lay? What's up? So we've had about, like I said, $2 to $3 million, if not a little bit more, of sales. But as you can see, we handled it well. Lay, I'm doing well. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel. Okay. So we had a little bit of sell off. If we're gonna take a look here at the Dex tools, or not Dex tools, but Etherscan, and look at some of the holders here. 445 million have been burned. 55. I'm sorry, 55%. 55% of the token supply has been burned. If you look here to the left, and what that means is, off of these sell transactions and these buy transactions, 2% is redistributed among the holders. Lay, I'm doing good. Thanks for checking in. I appreciate it. Thanks for checking in. Yeah, the redistribution of the 2% plus, they already did a burn early on in the project. So I think Russ stated that another burn is not necessarily a good thing, although, down the road it could be possibly. But right now, with the organic growth, we really don't need another burn. We don't need to grow. In my opinion, we do not need to grow that fast. I think with Saitama, just looking at it over a period of 3-month period, we've been doing extremely well. This is back here, back in August. Let's go 3 months. This is back in July. We go all time. You guys can't see that. Hold on. There it is right there. There you go. You look back here. That's the all time history of the chart. No, a big burn. We don't need a burn right now. We don't need a big burn. The 2%, 2x2 is working relatively well. That's working relatively well. Why? Because it is allowing the redistribution to go back to the holders. If Russ and the team what's going on, Fernando, were to do a huge burn, it'll benefit 40,000 people. Right now, it'll benefit 40,000 people. But what about the ones who now want to come in? So if you think about it, down the road, the ones who are coming in now, the first 50,000, 60,000, 70,000 holders, right, are everybody's 200,000, whatever. Everyone is benefiting from the 2%. Okay. If you do an extra burn on top of that, only the 40 to 50,000 holders at this point will benefit from that burn. This is the way I see it. This is my outlook. Only the 40 to 50,000 members, holders right now will benefit from that burn. So you want this thing to grow organically right now. 2% is fine, because every time that price goes up and it goes down, we are all getting that 2% redistribution amongst us in our wallets. Okay. That 2% is nice. Pascal, absolutely. Lone Wolf, absolutely. Lone Wolf said, we are so much more than a burn. If this was a meme coin with no purpose, of course, burn. But nah, we have absolutely. Absolutely. Yeah, we're not just a joke coin. So that's my perspective. All right, let me go over to Facebook and see who's there. Everybody watching? Who we got? Pamela, Logan. What's going on, Katisha? Everybody watching. Appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. All right. So let's go back over here. So taking a look at that, and this has been one of the smartest projects that I've been in. Right, the SaitaMask. Once that SaitaMask comes out, there will be a staking feature that comes with it. It's like having a CD. from a bank, but at much higher rate. Wouldn't you love to take, you know, a certain percentage of your tokens, whether it be Saitama or another token, whatever, and stake it and earn, 40% APY, whatever, 70%, whatever, for a period of 6 months? I think that is a great option. All right. So that's a benefit to the holders. I think Shiba Inu is currently doing something like that on Shiba Swap, etc. So that's happening. That's happening right now. Hold on. First time live, made it to a live stream. I wanted to do a little bit earlier, just to try to catch some individuals. DeFi Dior. People love burns. Yeah, people love the burns, man. Everybody getting burned up around here. Hey, careful with them burns. They'll leave you scarred for life. Okay, so so anyway, if we're looking at the holders right now, guess what? We have surpassed. Remember, I was talking, was it yesterday or day before that? Remember when welcome AMD 66. We appreciate you for coming in. Remember when I was talking yesterday or day before that about the our holders? We were at like between 39 and 40,000. Right now, this token is at 42,000 holders. Within 2 days, we've gained almost 3,000 holders. Mate, it is 8 a.m. in Australia. 8 a.m. in Australia. What's up, mate? Oh, man. What up, mate? Okay. So, like I was saying, we are now at 42,673 holders. If I refresh it, I guarantee it'll probably be like 80, 42,685. This company now has 42,685 shareholders. It's a corporation. Did you know that? You're absolutely right, crypto world. Good day, mate. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. This is a corporation. All right? This is a corporation. Pascal said, love to have a nice amount and have it staked, not looking for Lambos, not showing off to friends or neighbors. I don't care. Just want that financial freedom. Guess what? In my opinion, this guy right here, Saitama, this little rat, this little wolf, right? Well, he's not a little wolf anymore. Back in May he was, but he's grown to be a teenager wolf right now. This little wolf is gonna make make a lot of people financially fit for the rest of their lives. Right? That's just my opinion. But looking at the chart, y'all see the chart, right? See that? Looking at the chart. That's the 3-day chart. And then looking at DEX tools here, the amount of holders that continue to come in, we are bullish. I think over in the Twitter world, we had some individuals who really get into technical analysis stating that we're probably going to be seeing a drop of 2 to 3 more zeros in a couple months. Let me see if I can find that. Crypto World posted here, bull flag pattern. All right, it's a little bit of TA. Bull flag right here, a little technical analysis on the chart. Entry on above the trend line with volume and confirmation right there. Step below of consolidation. Right above that, that's that consolidation, that almost that support where we've been bouncing off of. So if you look back at where we are now as opposed to where we were yesterday and The day before that, we've been bouncing right in between 8. Let me get here. About 8.3 on to about 9. We've been bouncing back and forth. And even with the sell-offs, even with the $3+ million in sell-off that we've had, we are definitely bullish. We are definitely bullish. What's going on, Joseph? What's up? Welcome. 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 Welcome those who are coming in on Facebook. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Yep, yep. So yesterday, or day before yesterday, I gave out over almost about 250 billion tokens to help encourage the pack, give back to the pack, because we are growing organically, and that's important. You're telling your mom, you're telling your dad, you're telling your friends, your neighbors, your grandparents, look, I told my grandpa about it. He was stoked. It was like, sign me up for that Bitcoin. Sign me on up for that Bitcoin. He doesn't say Bitcoin. He says Bitcoin. Where the Bitcoin at? You making money in that Bitcoin? We had a conversation yesterday. How's your Bitcoin doing? Grandpa's doing good. How's your Bitcoin doing? Grandpa's doing good. Let me show you how yours is doing too. Every coin is Bitcoin. It doesn't matter if it's Shiba or Saitama. It's all Bitcoin. Welcome, D Dread. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the channel. Appreciate your subscription. Don't forget, if you guys want to do a super chat, you can. You can do that. So let's go over here to the chat real quick. HDT or HGT2 said, "Can't wait for it once I'm settled. I'm gonna go and help around the world best I can." This is some serious bullish sentiments. You know, one thing that I've noticed within the community for Saitama is that everyone has been very supportive in giving back. They want to give back. They say, look, when I get to, let's say maybe a couple $1,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, whatever, I want to give back. They have goals in mind, right? And that's the important part of when you start to accumulate wealth. You want to ensure that you are giving back some way, form, or fashion, because guess what? Somebody's giving to you, right? It's coming to you somehow. Somebody has to be putting money somewhere in order for that money to be funneled out to you. Whether you putting in work at a job, whether you're doing investing, whatever it may be, money's going somewhere to come back and to be funneled to you, right? So why not continue to be that funnel and give back to your community, right? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Maurice just got his two co-workers. I was going to say co-workers. Maurice just got his two co-workers on board. Maurice, let's give a round of applause for Maurice. Round of applause. All right, congratulations, Maurice, for doing that. Welcome to the new co-workers and employees. What's my Facebook people doing? Work, 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 work. Hold on, I need to take a look over here. We got 7 people on the live. For some reason my feed is not, can't see my Facebook comments. Why I can't see my Facebook comments. Ooh, maybe I can right there. Ain't Facebook, that's YouTube. All right. Anyway, we're back. We're back. So what's going on, everybody? Now let's get back to business. Okay. So as let me go to Twitter really quick because there was an update. Thanks Crypto World for putting that information out there about the bull flag pattern and what have you. What we're looking at support level between 007 or no 0080 and 008914. We're kind of pushing between that right now, even with the big sell-offs. So you guys hang tight right there. Hang tight. All right, let's go back over to Twitter. I want to take a look at some more of the other comments that individuals had made really quick. Let's see. Let's see. Ricardo said, I've been hodling since 5,000 plus holders or less. Julie said, this is not financial advice, but if you are not on board, they say, Saitama rocket ship, you should buy more before we get listed on a big exchange. What do y'all think about that? After that, it will be very expensive to buy. I am ready, are you? So let's think about that because you look at the price action of Shiba Inu, right? You look at the price action of Shiba Inu. Christine, what's going on? Oh, you're not late. You know what? I didn't King of Crypto. What's going on? I didn't put a time out there. I'm the most randomest person that you're ever gonna meet in life. I'm just so random. Like I'll just, just start just doing random stuff, and people are like, "Are you okay? You all right? You all right? You all right, man? Yeah, I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm just a random person, so I like to have fun in life. That's just part of my personality and character. So anyway, welcome, guys. Pascal said, just showing people who live paycheck to make something extra to invest in themselves. Cal Alden said, Joseph, why Saitama.x? I'm so curious. Saitama.x. If you ever go over to StockTwits and you post on StockTwits, you can link your StockTwits account to your Twitter feed, and that's just the way that it comes up. So it has nothing to do with Saitama. Okay, guy. All right. So let's get back to that. And all over Twitter, Saitama has been popping up. Right. I'm going to go to my page because I did post some stuff on my page about a news article that came out. Let's see here. Let's see here. Hopefully, you guys are having a good day. All right, let me. All right, because I had posted okay, here it is right here. So here's an article that I looked at earlier today where it says Saitama Inu could make investors turn millionaires, but here is the catch. So Vinu Daisazu wrote an article on the 20th, a few days ago, about Saitama Inu making newer millionaires, right? D-Dread all day, way better than Monday, right? Oh, appreciate the support, Christine. We appreciate that support. All of you are awesome. Appreciate that. All right. So investor and philanthropist Warren Buffett once famously said that our favorite holding period is forever. All right. Buffett then went on explaining the market secrets by saying, if you don't feel that is absolutely true. Like, you need to be able to have some type of faith or confidence in that investment. Right? So, I've been doing investing for the last about 18 years. Okay, I'm not going to tell you my age. But thanks for all the ones who just joined the chat on Facebook and on YouTube. Thank you for watching, taking your time to watch. Appreciate that. So like I said, between 15 or about 18 years, I've been doing investing. And one thing that I know is that when you just ape into something, either you're really going to lose your butt, you're going to lose your tail off, or you're going to make some good money. Either way, right? So you have to really do your research when you're jumping into whatever it is, crypto or stock. So he's right about that. Buffett during the 2008 financial crisis lost $23 billion. 23. What's up, Hollywood? What up? What up? All right, y'all hang tight enough. I will be doing a giveaway tonight. I'm going to be back on in a few hours. I do have to do a couple things, so I'm almost done here. I just wanted to bring a little bit of news to you. Um, uh, you know what? I want to go see what Russ is doing. But anyway, you get the overall consensus of this article, just explaining about holding, getting into a project, and understanding the fundamentals of the project, what the project is doing. If it's something that's, because most of you probably are not day traders. So, if you don't have that experience of being able to get into the market and getting out of, certain cryptos or stocks, then you need to understand whether or not if this is going to be a long term hold for you. Okay. So, Mr. Nobody, what's going on? What's going on? All right. So I'm going to go back to Twitter really quick. I want to see what the guru was talking about. Where's the guru at? Russ. Because Russ was saying something is coming up here. On another little tidbit, did you know that crypto is considered an asset or a property? Did you know that? Did you know that? One thing I wanted to point out, Nam Tran, he's one of the administrators on the Saitama team. He actually helped a fellow Wolfpackian the other day with his brother's expenses. So, captain of the RMS McBitchin, he said, "Real talk. It assisted with paying off the funeral expenses for my brother. Love this community and the friends I have made along the way." So, condolences to you and your family. But the Wolfpack stepped up, Namtran stepped up and helped out the community. So big ups to Namtran. If you're not following him, go ahead and follow him. But big condolences to that. Big condolences. That's Namtran right here. I'll pull up his account. If you want to follow him and get some information, go ahead and do that. He said that he was shopping for Saitama after the gas fees kind of calmed down. All right. We also have a lot of creative people that's in Saitama. Some giving out T-shirts, and I mean Jake Gaggin is always giving out tokens or whatever on his channel. All right. So you guys tune in. Michael Thompson will be on Jake's live stream tonight and dropping those bombs. Maybe one day I'll have the pleasure of meeting Michael Thompson. Okay. Let me get some information from Max Hernandez, Max Equation here. He's on the team. He said, "Hey, everyone, be careful. It has been brought to my attention that there has been some fraudulent phishing around sites which have been created. So be careful on that. A lot of scams and malicious people trying to get to your wallet. So be careful on that." All right. He said, "Hey, guys, the dev team on the 19th." He said, "Hey, guys, the dev team and engineering team is working hard on SaitaMask and a lot of internal testing. Just wanted to update everyone and show that, yes, it's an app, and yes, it's already on my phone, and yes, it's coming November 13th. So if you're not sure what SaitaMask will do, it's going to replace in its own world. It's going to replace MetaMask. I know that a lot of you have been having MetaMask issues. So it's going to replace that. All right. So, and other things, educational information and all that kind of stuff, gaming. all that. There's going to be so much. So wait till that drops. King of Crypto, big NFL players meeting today. Big NFL players meeting today. Which that's good information. That's good information. We have so much information that's coming up. So much. And I'm just excited to know the community. No problem, Christine. No problem. I'm just excited to know the community. So let's get back to it. Let me see if I can get some more information. The Hawk here, Hawaiian Hawk, he shared some information. Let me go down here. I like what he said. Let's see if I can find it. It was 12 hours ago. He said here, is Saitama gearing up for the next spike? This is 12 hours ago. And as you can see what we're doing, it's already consolidating right now. He said, is Saitama gearing up for the next spike? I think yes. Although the entire crypto market, how's that showing up? He said, although the entire crypto market is down, Saitama token has remained green. Right? People are quoting, waiting for whales to sell, which is why we quickly recover from any dip. So if you have been looking at the chart, you will notice, look at that. That's so freaking bullish. 858. When this zero is gone, it's going to create a whole new wave of millionaires. Once we drop that zero, a whole new wave of millionaires. Right now, we're at about 80 millionaires right now with Saitama. 80 millionaires with Saitama. Once we drop another zero, that's a whole nother wave. Once we drop another zero, that's a whole nother wave. King of Crypto said, I think this business will make you a billionaire at Dre Entertainment. I will not reveal my wallet, or I will not reveal my holdings. Possibly, my friend. It's a possibility, my friend. We're all getting it. We're all getting to that point to where we need to be in life, I believe, for our objective to help others, ultimately. Okay? So when this thing does get to SHIB's current price, people will be able to do that, right? And, congratulations to the team for putting together such a great product that's going to help the world. Cozy S2K. All right. Let me see what other updates that are out there right now. Give me 1 second. All right. I want to see what Russ has put out there. You all for being patient. Appreciate it. I want to see if Russ dropped anything recently. Thought I'd seen something earlier today. Let's see. So if you don't know who Michael Thompson is, go to his page. Go to this retired NBA Legends page, Michael Thompson. You can follow him at Reset Life Nutrition. He is on board, and he's following me. Appreciate that. Appreciate that follow. He is on board. Mr. Diamond Hands, right here. Mr. Diamond Hands. just wrote something. I want to see what he said. Like Mr. Diamond Hands. I can't find it. We're going to get back to what Mr. Diamond Hands said a little bit later on, but he's been very supportive. He's doing great things. Go and follow Mr. Diamond Hands. Saitama holder that doesn't know Mike. No, not everybody knows Mike. Not everybody knows Mike. Okay, not everybody knows Mike. So anyway, guys, listen. This project here, you don't want to miss out. Spread it to your mother, your father, your sister, your brother, your cousins, your squirrels, your pets. Tell your pets because you know they talk. You've seen Pets Life, right? You know they talk. All right? You know they talk. So spread that information out to them. Okay? Let them know what is happening. Hey, Hollywood, are you following me on Twitter? Are you following me on Twitter? Jiva, I'm about to give some tokens away. Jiva, Larry, I'm seeing you right there. Oh, Martina, I still didn't get to you about your token, so you need to get back with me. I don't think I sent you your tokens. Jiva Larry, you just won 50 billion Saitama tokens. Make sure you inbox me. So I don't forget. I get so much. And Hollywood, you just won 50 billion Saitama tokens. 50 billion is roughly worth about $500 right now. At the price we're at the pace we're at right now, absolutely. So make sure you inbox me on Twitter. Eva Larry, make sure you inbox me. Make sure you inbox me. Oh, you changed your picture. Okay, gotcha. Another thing that I want to talk about is FUD in the community. In any project that you're in, be careful because people are watching all over. I had an incident with an individual, don't even know, never even met this person, and for some reason earlier on I had blocked the account because there was some FUD going on or whatever. I don't deal with that. FUD is just it's when people are attacking one another, talking down on other coins or whatever. And so apparently I blocked this individual. Good, I'm pretty sure a good person. It's not personal. 50 billion, 50 billion tokens. Make sure you inbox me. Congratulations. Let's give Shiva and Hollywood a round of a freaking applause. All right, so I had to block that individual, and then that individual hunted me down, tell me that they was blocked, and they were pissed off or mad or whatever the case. I'm like, look, and then it started this whole thing on Facebook, on Twitter. So, we have to be careful. All right, we have to be careful. Nothing is personal. Nothing should ever be personal here. It should not be personal. All right, we should remain professional as much as possible. I don't like people pulling me out of my character at all. All right, so we need to remain positive in the community and support each other. As much as we can, especially during this pandemic with COVID. All right. Okay. So Shiva Larry, make sure you inbox me how much you won. I did say 50 billion. And Hollywood, it's strictly business. Say Tom alone, it's strictly business, correct. Make sure you inbox me that you won. All right. Inbox me that you won the 50 billion. Keith John Films, you just won 50 billion Saitama tokens. Make sure you inbox me on Twitter. Make sure you inbox me on Twitter. You have 2 minutes to do so, or I have to move on to the next person. So right now, that's a total of 150 billion Saitama tokens that have been given out today. That's roughly almost $1,500. Make sure you inbox me the amount. Love you too. Make sure you inbox me the amount. If you don't inbox me, I will not know. I will not know. And I'm going to give away 50 more billion to my Facebook individuals who are watching right now. Martina, I know you did not just call me old. Armando, you said you wanted to know my price prediction for Saitama by the end of the year. My opinion, based off of where we're at and the growth within the last 3 weeks. If you're taking a look, that's the 3-day chart. We're gonna look at the 1 week. If you're taking a look, it hasn't been stagnant at all. We're not. We were trading sideways earlier, but right now we're not. We're gonna drop. We're definitely gonna drop a zero. I'm positive on that one. I'm positive on that zero drop, even with the way that the market has been acting. We're doing well. The stock market took a drop. Its worst drop since May. And crypto was doing really well back in May, right? If you guys remember, doing relatively well. I think that's when we've seen some of the higher highs, right? So just understand that, we're gonna, even while the crypto market hit a little drop, we were still doing well. We were still in the green. So my prediction is we're definitely dropping. If we hit that $2 billion market cap, we're definitely dropping 2 zeros. I said if, but it's a matter of when. We're definitely dropping 2 zeros. All right. Leon, what's going on? I haven't seen you in a minute, brother. Haven't seen you in a minute. If you want to purchase Saitama tokens, it's just like any other token on Uniswap. Pretty much, you can actually go to the website, or you can go to CoinMarketCap and get the contract address. So I'm not sure what wallet you're using, but if you connect your wallet to Uniswap, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask, you connect your wallet to Uniswap, put the contract address in there. You should know how to do it from there. Same thing. But go to the website, SaitamaToken.com. Right here. This is it. It's the only one. Don't get fooled. I keep hearing people who are losing their money. They're losing their money because they're connecting wallets to malicious sites. Okay, so I just gave away 50 more billion. Who got the last 50 billion? Who got that last 50 billion? That's 150 billion that's been given out. That'll be given out so far. Give me 24 hours. I'll make sure I get that to you. Who got the last 50 billion? Anyway, Leon, um, yeah, go to Saitama token. And if you go to Saitama token here and you scroll and you click on buy Saitama, it's going to take you down to where you can buy that. Right? It's going to show you the contract. Always triple check your contracts. Always triple check your contracts. All right. Make sure everything lines up. So if you're at the website, go to the Etherscan. Always triple check your contracts. We talked about this the other day. Make sure you copy and paste. Don't try to type it in. And right here, here's the steps. How to buy Uniswap. Step by step. Create a wallet and buy Ethereum. Connect your wallet. Adjust the settings, if slippage, etc. Swap Ethereum for Saitama. Boom. Import your tokens, and boom, there you go. You have it. All right. Hollywood said there's so many sites created that mirror the real sites to a T. Got to be extremely careful. They'll take everything, and they are heartless and disgusting. Absolutely. I agree. I agree. I'm sorry that some of you have lost your tokens. You know, when I first started out, I was moving so fast, I was making a lot of mistakes. I lost some money too. But just remember, slow down now. Slow down and watch it. And watch it. All right. So I gave out 150 billion Saitama tokens, which is roughly worth about $1,500. Congratulations. Diva, Hollywood, and there was one more. Who was my last winner? That's why I told y'all, gotta inbox me because I'll forget. I'll forget. Oh, Keith did? Oh, Keith. Yeah, Keith, make sure you inbox me. Keith, make sure you inbox me. All right. Tell me how much you won. All right. Anyway, it's almost been an hour. Thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate it. Over 150 billion Saitama tokens have been given away. Charlie said, Charlie said, hey guy, look, listen, hey guy, listen. When somebody wins, you listen, guy, you want to be smart. You want to be smart about this. He said what? Hey guy, hey, listen. When somebody wins, write that crap down. He said, write it down in a notepad, cuz, so you don't forget it. He's so right. He's so right. He said, hey, look, he said, hey guy, listen, get your act together, get your stuff together, man. When somebody wins, write that ish down. Write it on a notepad, buddy. Okay? All right. Thanks for tuning in to Joseph Robinson Entertainment, the channel. Appreciate you guys. Wolfpack, appreciate you. If you don't have Saitama, you better get some. All right? I'm going to keep giving stuff away. On next live, I'll give away some too. All right? I'm gearing up for the next 1 trillion. Y'all know how much 1 trillion is. It's not cheap. Gearing up for the next 1 trillion tokens. Keith. He said, did I win? What TF? How do I inbox you? Well, Keith, if you're on Keith, Keith, if you're on Twitter, if you're following me on Twitter, okay, just go to my profile and hit the little message icon and inbox me, bro. Inbox me. Better find a way. If I don't get an inbox, listen, guys, if I do not get an inbox from Keith, Keith is not getting that 50 billion Saitama tokens. You better find a way, brother. I can't tell you. That's why I tell you guys, follow me on all platforms because you're not going to track you down. I'm not tracking you down. All right. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Appreciate all the winners. Thank you. And either I'll see you tonight or I'll see you in a couple of days. I'm still waiting on my lighting to come in, but we're going to make this thing happen. We're going to get this thing rolling. Technical difficulties or not. Appreciate all the Facebook family out there. I've been focused, trying to get things together. So if you don't hear from me, sorry about that. Sorry, like my mind is I'm in a whole different world. So if you don't hear from me, it's not personal. Please don't take it personal. Please don't take it personal. All right. Word. Who's that? Help spread the word. A fellow 907. What's up? What's going on? Appreciate that. Free spirit. What's up? Give y'all a shout out. Hollywood again. Christine. What's going on? Dread. AMD 66. Appreciate you, Cozy. S2K. Hollywood once again. HGT2. T2. T1. Pamela. Appreciate y'all. Lay. Appreciate y'all. Who else we got on here? Giving y'all a shout out. Leon. Martina, of course. Charlotte. What's going on? Welcome. Katisha. Welcome. Miss Robinson. Lucinda. What's going on? Armando. Bryce. What up? Deborah. What up? Listen, when I come on these, I intend on you all leaving away with something. Even if it's not, it may not be a giveaway, but you're leaving away with some information that you can possibly use to enhance your future. That's why I do this. Will B, what's going on? Mr. Nobody, appreciate you coming to the channel. Who else we got? All right. Saitama Lone Wolf, appreciate you. Appreciate the follow. Charlie, 74, what's going on? Appreciate you. DMC McCarty, thank you. Cardi, I didn't say you won anything. No, I didn't say you won anything. Sydney Smith, what's going on? Nav, Maurice, appreciate all of you. Congratulations to everyone. If I didn't call you out, I didn't forget about you. Rico Suave, what up? No, Rico, it's not too late to buy in to Saitama. Buy in. All right. Try to call everybody out. If I missed you, King of Crypto, of course. Appreciate you stopping by. I know you're a busy individual. Thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Carl, Cal, Alden, what's going on? So once again, check. Make sure King of Crypto, you checking the channel. Jake, you checking his channel. He's going to be going live tonight with Michael Thompson tonight. Tune into that channel, and everyone else who's going to be live tonight. I can't call out everyone, but anyway, once again, thank you for tuning in. Get yourself a bag of, in my opinion, get yourself a bag of Saitama. All right. Look at the chart. We're moving. We're on 1 month. We're moving. Right. Okay. Don't delay. Come back a month from now saying, man, I wish I would have got some of that damn Saitama. All right, y'all. Take it easy. Peace.